Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas, and I've got a really good fresh and saltwater fishing boat for you. This is one of our great brokerage units. This is a 2016 model, 150 Montauk by Boston Whaler, the unsinkable legend. This one's equipped with a GPS controlled iPilot trolling motor. We've got a really nice ice chest on board, bimini top, built-in tackle storage. This one's got a Ray Marine fish finder GPS combo on it, stainless steel steering wheel, flip-flop driver's helm. Dual portable tanks. One of the great things about this boat is you can store it in a garage and you can easily go fill your tanks where you want, when you want. We've got a 60 horsepower Mercury on the back with a stainless steel prop. Nice boarding ladder if you want to do any water sports or take the kids swimming. And this boat is real easy for one person to operate to get on and off the trailer. Got a great compartment to keep your batteries and some of your life jackets. Boat's got lots of rod holders on it. A really nice fishing platform for you and your family. Come see this boat and many of our other brokerage listings and new and used boats we have here at MarineMax of Houston. I'm Paul. Be glad to take care of you.